single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Well, been a while since I did a upgrade video on the Silverado. I forgot that I had this, so thought I'd do an open box and kind of show y'all what comes with it. This is a wideband. It's made by apsx WD wideband. With some paperwork, sticker, some brochures. This is the gauge. This is the gauge. It comes with an O2 sensor bung with a plug. And as you can tell, it's not real deep. It's pretty simple. It's got that no glare type face on it. And that's the harness. And it came with a Bosch O2 sensor. It's pretty much a plug-and-play setup, especially if you're running nitrous. You want to get one of these and put in your truck. That way, if you get to running real lean while you're spraying, you'll know when to let off the button so you don't burn your motor up. Cool. But that's the WD wideband. Probably a while before I put it in, but that's it.